Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Power BI quiz. And say hello to Patrick also.
Yo, how's it going, guys?
Nice to have you here, Patrick, in the quiz tonight.
Thank you.
Oh, tonight here from
Yeah,
Denmark.
thank you.
It's what is time at your place now?
2 p.m.
2 p.m.
2 p.m.
And
Yeah, 2 p.m.
it's Atlanta or Alpharetta?
Atlanta. Atlanta.
Atlanta.
Yeah, Atlanta. Yeah.
Really nice to have you in the quiz.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm excited. I was a little jealous that Adam got invited and I didn't, and so I'm excited to be here now. So
Yeah,
a little jealous. I was a little
it was
jealous of
always
Adam.
my plan to invite you also. So. And then it was actually Quiz Web that suggested that we should take this Paginated Report as the theme of your quiz.
Well, thank you, Chris. Thank you, Chris Webb.
So you're actually taking it from Chris Finland.
Yeah. So I actually reached out to Chris Finland. He was like, "Yeah, no, you do it. You do it. You do it." I was like, "All right, okay." When you send me the email, I did reach out to him, and he was like, "No, you go do it." I was like, "All right, it's fun. I'm excited."
Nice. And with this quiz, the first thing we need to do is to find the winner of the raffle prize for last week. So
Yeah.
I will find here. We have all the players from the quiz last week, where we had Alexandra winning. He
Wow.
actually won for the second time, so he's pretty good at this Power BI. He's from Bologna in Italy.
Yes.
And then also his partner from the local Power BI user group in Bologna, that's actually Dr. Pippin, that was second. So they know something about the Power BI in Italy. Yeah, and also DAX.
Dax. Yeah, Dax. Yeah.
So we had, nearly 40 people attending last week. And the prize for last week, because the theme for last week was this certification of Power BI.
Oh, yeah. That's a good one. That's a good one.
So the prize for the Raffle prize was or is for the winner. A voucher to take the exam. So hopefully you haven't already taken the exam, the one who win, or you can give it to a friend or a colleague if you win. So we will pick the raffle winner from these attendees from last week, and I have assigned every attendee a random number. So Patrick, will you help and pick a number?
A number between what, 1 and 40?
1 and 39.
25, because that's how old I am.
Oh yeah. So you're a little older than Will Thompson. He was 21.
I'm legal, so I can drink and do all the things that adults do. So
Let's see who the lucky winner is. And data scientist BP. So congratulations to you, winner of the voucher for the certification. Hopefully you haven't done it already. And he has been part of the quiz a couple of times now, and he was actually ranked 9 last week. So congratulations to you. And then the raffle prize for this week is a mastering role level security in Power BI on-demand video course.
yeah. From who? From Guy in the Cube.
Yeah. So you donated it. So thank you for
You're welcome.
the raffle prize. Can you
Yeah.
tell us a little about this course?
So the course is a journey, and we go from beginning to end. We start really simple. We start with some really simple static row level security, but then we start digging into the weeds with many to many and dynamic row level security. It's a pretty good course, and so if you know a little bit, you'll know a lot by the time you finish. If you don't know anything, it's actually a good place to start and a good place to end.
Nice.
Yeah.
So thank
Yeah.
you very much for donating this, and the lucky winner will that will pick it next week will get a voucher code for this course.
All right. Courtesy, Adam Saxon will get you guys that code. Not me. Adam will do it.
Perfect. We will get the code from Adam then.
Yeah, get it from Adam.
And then, for the winner for this week, we have this $100 gift card to Lego.com. Here you can see some of the things you can buy on Lego.com website. Yeah, so this is for the winner, and this has been the prize for every quiz so far. So we will keep on having this prize for the winner.
Cool.
So, yeah, just to recap the prizes, we have the 100 gift card to Lego.com, and then the raffle prize is this video on-demand video course. So this is the prizes for today.
All right.
And then for the Kahoot for today.
So I want to say this before we get started. So Adam posted in the chat, and this is so funny. We recorded the entire course. I'm not kidding you. We recorded the entire course, and I get a text from Adam. He goes, "We got a problem. We recorded the entire thing without audio, and so we had to redo the whole thing."
No. So,
but I will say this: it was a true blessing because there was something in it that people would have hated us for, and it was my fault. And so it was a blessing that we had to re-record it. So we made a few changes the second round.
So it's yeah. You have really proven that you can do the course because you've done it twice. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. The Kahoot quiz. You will see the questions if this is the first time joining a Kahoot quiz. See the question on your monitor, and then you will go to kahoot.it on your mobile device, a tablet, or maybe your second screen. But just have two different screens because then it will make it much easier for you. You will get a pin shortly to join it, and then please put in your full name or Twitter handle so that we can find you if you're the lucky winner of the raffle prize or the winner of the first prize. There's a little delay.
Exciting.
So maybe 5 seconds delay. That means you will see the answers before you see the questions, and that also means that when we have a timer, don't let the timer run out, because actually you'll have then you don't answer the question, and you will only be awarded points if you answer the questions. And we have 10 questions delivered by Patrick on Paginated Reports, and then we have one start question just to get you started that you're not awarded point for. And the faster you answer, the more points you win. So that's the whole point of this. So let's go in and start the Kahoot. Yeah, I hear some very nice music, but you don't, so I'll just turn it down. So let's see. The average of participants is around 40. Let's see how many we will be this week.
All right, let's see what the paginated knowledge is like. Let's see what it's like. I put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into these questions. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears. Adam actually did help with a couple, so I got to give him a little credit. He helped with a couple of these. I think people are afraid to join this one.
Oh, yeah.
People are a little afraid. Like, what is this paginated report that you talk about? What is this mystical creature, this paginated report?
Yeah, what is it?
What is this thing? So, all right.
But maybe if you don't know Paginated Reports, you will probably learn something about from this quiz.
Yes. I think you'll learn a few things about it in these questions.
Yeah, and I also think you will learn a few things also if you think you're an expert in Paginated Reports, because there are some tricky questions in there.
Yeah. We actually had to dig a little bit back into the memory banks for some of these questions. We really did.
So we have
not like Power BI.
35 players right now. I'll just start it, and then you can also join later on. The pin will be on the top all the time. So, the first question is actually just a poll. What's your level of experience with Paginated Reports?
Ooh, Benny, Kerberos. Please don't say Kerberos with Adam around. Please don't say Kerberos with Adam around. I'm interested in this question. I'm curious what's everyone's level.
So, a lot of people are beginner.
Wow. Well, we have someone very advanced.
Oh yeah,
Ooh.
probably maybe Adam.
Very advanced. All right. We'll see.
I know who said very advanced. I can look it up afterwards. Yeah, so no points awarded, and then there's no leaderboard, but this is the first question, and we start with a multi-select question.
Yeah.
So what are the tools you can use to create the Paginated Reports?
So there's more than one answer here. There's more than one answer. And it's like multiple things.
And also, if you have answered, then you have to click on the submit button.
The answer is Power BI.
Oh, and we have all answered until now, and
Well, all right. All right. Oh, wait. How many people got it right? We don't know.
yeah, and have you any comments on this one?
Yeah, so you and I talked about this one earlier, right? You can even use, other tools if you want to really dig into this. But what I would say is if you're doing paginated reports in Power BI, use Power BI Report Builder. Even though you can do it in SQL Server data tools and report builders, Microsoft intentionally built Power BI Report Builder specifically for paginated reports in the service because there's certain features and capabilities that's not available, and they strip those features and capabilities out of Power BI Report Builder. That's the one you absolutely want to use.
Yeah, and
so Benny said Notepad++. That's what we were talking about, right?
Yeah.
That's what we were talking about.
I was thinking about adding that one.
That's what we were talking about.
So yeah, basically it's just an XML file that you can edit with any text editor also.
Yeah, you can just type it up. Just type it.
If you're really hardcore, you can type it up from scratch. Yeah. So yeah, you can use Power BI Desktop, and you probably won't at any point in time. But let's see.
Nope, not at any point in time.
Let's see who is first on the podium. And on this question, the maximum awarded point was 3,000 if you have all three correctly. So.
Oh, look at there.
So Kyle, congratulations. Let's see.
Nice.
The next question.
This is let's see. This is Adam's question. I was like, what? I don't know the answer to this. Like, I don't know what this is. Why? What code name? What are you talking about? Look, only people are like, what? I don't know.
So
I'm curious.
Yeah, we are going way back than the time before Power BI came.
Yep.
So we could also have what was the year SQL Server Report Services was introduced?
Oh man, because I remember you installed it from the command line. So
yeah, way back in time.
Yeah. Oh, look at there.
Yeah. I will say a lot of people probably guessed on this one.
Yeah, because they probably thought it was Crescent, which was Power View.
Oh yeah.
Right. Yeah, Crescent. Project Crescent. Remember the bubbles flying when Amir did that with the bubbles flying across the screen? The biggest winner, I forgot what that visual was called. We never saw it. It never came to the product.
Yeah.
But
yeah, I remember that. That was a really marketing thing.
Super marketing. Yeah.
Power View, but yeah, Rosetta was the correct answer on this one. Let's see the podium now. Yeah, it changed something.
Oh wow! Our winner from the raffle. He's number one now. Yeah. All right.
have the next question.
This one, I don't know. I don't think this one's too tough. Even though I got it wrong when when I was talking with Chris Finland about this.
Yeah, so you can assign memory for different services when you have a capacity.
You gotta be careful because you gotta balance it. You know, if you're using those different features, you need to make sure you balance it out with all your Power BI reports. So you gotta be careful.
Yeah, so the correct answer is 100% actually.
100%. Yeah.
So yeah, you can actually assign all of the capacity to Paginated Reports. So if you only want to use Paginated Reports from your capacity, maybe that was the only purpose why you built by the capacity.
Yep. Let's see who's on top now.
Yeah. John Bell and Steviaso and TD.
Man, we haven't had the same person on top across multiple questions.
True or false?
Easy. It's an easy one.
So yeah, you only get.
This was a Patrick question. This absolutely was a Patrick question. Yeah, I gotta give him some easy ones. You gotta give him some easy ones.
Oh yeah.
Everyone should get this one right.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. One person got it wrong.
Yeah, but yeah, that is one of the main reasons using Paginated Reports is for printing. Yeah.
Yeah, because people complain about Power BI. You know, you have that table with 1 million rows, and they want to print 1 million pages. Not sure why they want to print 1 million pages, but do a paginated report. And you can print it. You can kill as many trees as you want to kill.
Oh yeah.
I kid.
So.
Oh, look at there, John.
Yeah. It didn't change so much, but you are awarded points for quicker answers, so a little change there was. And you will have one that you get awarded double points for.
This one's a little could be a little tricky. And so I had it worded a little differently and Adam reworded this one, but this one could be a little tricky. But if you've been following Paginated Reports and SSRS since the beginning, you know the answer to this right away.
Oh, yeah.
I think I did a session at Bits with this in the title, giving you a clue. I'm giving you a clue if you attended Bits. Even at Data Minds, I did a session, I think, with this in the title. I think. I don't remember.
Yeah.
We could ask Benny.
So the correct answer is pixel perfect reporting.
Yeah. Boom. Pixel perfect. Benny, I can't wait till all this is over so I can come back. I can't wait to come back to eat some of that wonderful grill meat, some of those wonderful grill meats you serviced at the barbecue. Oh, that was great. Oh, that was so great. That's amazing. It was amazing, Benny. It was amazing. Okay. Sorry, Josh. I'm talking too much.
Let's see who's in the top of the leaderboard now. We got Gigi and Eveline and and Nikki and Benny also climbed up to top 5.
Nice.
Let's have the next question.
This one. Oh, yeah. This is a good one. This was my question. Yeah.
So you might have to guess on this one if you don't know it.
And I bet you a lot of people didn't even know there was a tool out there that can take your SSRS reports. It'll actually do a validation of that report to see if it meets all the limitations, right? It doesn't have anything that Paginated Reports doesn't support, and then it'll actually publish it out to that workspace for you.
Yeah. So we have 13 with the correct answer, and that was RDL migration.
Yep. Yep. So somebody just asked the question though, could you use Visual Studio? You can't, not to publish it to the workspace. You can't use Visual Studio. You can, oh, I can't give this away yet because I think there's a question. I can't give this question, but you can't publish the visual, you can't use Visual Studio to publish these to the service. You can if you're on premises with, or in a VM with reporting services, but not to Power BI service.
Yeah, and also because, this tool also validates your report, so.
Yep. And so Benny made the point here. It does, thanks Benny, it automatically checks for uncompatible features. It really does. And it'll give you a nice little report if there's any uncompatible features for that report. Yeah.
And who made this tool?
It's a project of some engineers at Microsoft. It really is. Chris Finland and some guys that he worked with, they kind of led it off.
So you will find it on
GitHub. It's on GitHub. I'll send you a link. To
Perfect.
it. Yeah, I'll send you a link.
Let's see the podium now. Oh. We have still TJ in the top, then Benny, Miratiers, Andy, and Atlanta 89. Let's see. Next question. True or false?
Easy. Another gimme.
So, cannot.
Gotta be careful. I put the link to the Git repo for the RDL migration in the chat.
Perfect.
Yep. Cannot. This was one of Adam's little shady, tricky questions. Very good. Very good. Most people got it, though. Most people got you, Adam. He said put cannot, and I was like, can. Yep.
So,
you can. Yeah, you can. You can open them. So once you create them, you're connected. You can connect to that workspace, and you can open all the reports directly from that workspace using Power BI Report Builder. Yep.
Let's see the podium now. TJ is still on top. Benny, Andy, Meritus, and then also Nexus 150.
Benny's creeping up. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The link is not showing up. I will. We'll post it afterwards then.
Okay. I will send it to you.
Or you can just Google it.
It's really easy. You're right. or like we say at Microsoft, you can Bing it.
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah. Sorry.
I just kid. I kid.
And one more, true and false.
Ooh, this is an easy one. I think this is mine too. But I tell you, so we had someone do this. I was just working with someone doing this, and they ran into some big performance problems because they had a pretty big model, and they were trying to use some of the DAX generated by Power BI using the performance analyzer and copying the DAX, but they didn't use any measures, and they got out of memory exceptions because depending on the function you use with DAX, it can create a cross join, and it just pulled a lot of unnecessary data. And so we had to walk them through some steps to fix this. So be careful. But you definitely can. Yeah. You already said yes. Everybody got this.
Everyone.
Woo, 100%.
And this is one of the killer features of Paginated Reports, that you can reuse your data sets.
Yeah.
Let's see, everyone answered correctly on this one, so probably not changing the podium. No.
Yeah, that's what I was shooting for. I wanted a 100% everyone got it right.
Yeah, so everyone was a winner on that one.
Yes.
Let's have the next question.
Here's another one that I wrote initially, and then Adam got a little shady on it with his phrasing of the word, of the question. Little shady. Just a little shady on it.
So yeah, you can
The
use
minimum.
the Asia Power BI embedded capacity.
Yeah. But what's the minimum SKU? Which one is the minimum SKU that supports it? Oh, the shady Adam.
Yeah, the minimum or the minimum
Yeah.
right now
It's
is
A4,
if.
right? Yeah. Yeah.
But I think Christopher Finland has publicly said that the aim is to get it also on A3.
Yeah, yeah. The aim is, but not yet.
Not yet, no.
Not yet. Yeah. The aim is, but it's not there yet. I think somebody just said that in the chat.
Yeah. But actually, I also think it is a part of the roadmap, and there is a date on it. Maybe
Yeah.
I've seen a date on it, but it's not in the next month or so. It's
not yet. It's coming though. I know he talked about it.
So yeah, and then A4 is equivalently to a P1.
Yep, that's right.
So let's see if that changed something. Yeah, it did. And it...
Oh. Sorry, Benny.
And now for the last question, which is also a double point, which means that you can earn 2,000 points on this one. So we can still...
This was my hard question. This was my other hard question.
Let's see what it is. Last question of today.
Is not. I think that was a little shady changing of wording from Adam, but this was my hard question. See, people aren't answering this one too fast. Go Tigers, go Tigers, Christine. Go Tigers, go Tigers. Yep. I got my, Christine, you can see there's my LSU hat. Look at there, go Tigers.
So subscribe is not part of the lock.
No. People put download. Most people put download. Wow. Huh,
yeah, so
interesting.
Delete, create, and download. That is something that is in the audit log, but not subscribe.
Not subscribe. Nope. Not subscribe.
Let's see the podium. And number 3, Andy Packerson. And number 2, GD. And the winner of this week is, let's see, Nexus 150.
Wow, it came out of nowhere.
Wow.
Nice. Ooh, this is fun.
So,
a lot of fun.
Yeah. Congratulations. And let's, yeah. I will just switch to, yeah. So thank you for being the co-host and quiz maker for this week.
Yeah. Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it. It was fun. So much fun.
Nice. And you just told me that you will get the rest of the day off, or maybe Adam shouldn't know that.
I told him already. You're welcome, Benny. You're welcome, everyone. All right. Adam knows. I talk to Adam all the time.
So, yeah, thank you for everyone attending. And, yeah, see you all next week, where we'll have Matthew Rock doing a quiz on data flows. So
data flows.
That will be the 10th quiz and the last one for the first season. And then we'll have a break, and then we'll have a second season starting up in August.
All right. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for being here, and thank you for all for attending. So, bye-bye.
Bye.